Hello, good morning, dear students. This is me, Alexander Chapeton. I'm going to be your virtual tutor during this semester. So I've decided to record this video for the ones who couldn't attend yesterday's meeting that we had. Okay, so everybody is welcome to this virtual course. I'm going to give you some important guidelines in terms of participation and my expectations from you as a student. Okay, I expect you can be as much as organized as you can. Okay, I want you to be a enthusiastic student as well and committed. Okay, with the responsibilities and duties that you will have during this semester in this class. So please be organized in terms of time. Especially time organization is key for virtual students. Okay, so I hope you can be an organized student. I want to talk about the class components now, and this is the weighting for each one of the components for this class, okay, for you to have it into account. Tutorships will correspond to 20%, class project 20%, progress test 10%, virtual book work 15%, and the final exam for 35%. I will explain in a couple of videos each one of these class components, okay, don't you worry. Something that I want to tell you is that I will use Brightspace as our most important mean of communication. Okay, so I will post announcements probably every week. Okay, most likely weekly, I will send you announcements. In here, you can see a picture in which I'm pointing at what are those tags that you have to click on, okay? Página de inicio over here and últimas publicaciones. So in there, you will find different messages that are important to take into account every week, okay? And the other important issue in Brightspace is going to be your scores progress, okay? Your grades will be posted in Brightspace during whole semester. Every week, exactly the same as the announcements, every week I'm going to publish your scores regarding virtual book or the project or the participation in tutorial component, etc. Okay, everything will be there in Brightspace. Where to find it? Evaluaciones and calificaciones. Okay, so whenever you access to your platform, you will see your scores every week. Okay, so please be attentive. It's also important to be on top of your inbox. Okay, I will use exclusively the institutional email to send you communications. Sometimes I don't use the institutional email frequently, but I will use Brightspace. Okay, but if you write to me, don't you worry. I will be attentive to your messages and I will try to answer as fast as I can. All right. So communication is also key in this kind of virtual courses. So I hope we can be in touch frequently. Well, that's all the welcoming section. I will publish another video with each one of the class components. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.